All right, what's up, guys? How's it going? It's BTMM Signals. Haven't provided a video for you guys in a while. I'm sorry about that. I've been traveling and visiting family and been pretty busy, to say the least, lately. Um, I might do like maybe 2 to 3 videos this week. Probably 2 videos for sure. It's Thursday, May 15th today. We're backtracking on May 6th for AUDJPY. Had a absolute beautiful setup. So what we're usually looking for, and you don't even have this software. First of all, doesn't exist for a lot of you guys. It's really hard to find online. I don't even know if it exists anymore. But if you ever want to become better at trading, try to learn ICT concepts and try to fit it in your own psychology, if that makes sense. And you want to notice that you want to see, like you could go on like Trading View or anything that has to do with the sessions, like agent session, and you want to make sure you can maybe like get an indicator that shows range or how much it's moving like past the midnight candle. I would say 12 a.m. It'd be for me Central Standard Time, and see how much this is really pushing. Because as this pushes out just a significant, 70 pips, that's a big move. So you have to understand the market moves in poles. So if it moves 80 pips, like there's a very good chance that's going to move in a midpoint trace value of 40 pips upwards, at least at the bare minimum. A lot of times the market, if it moves 80 pips down, it comes back 80 pips up. It's very it's like God wrote a mathematical formula for it. It's very concise, very precise. I don't know why I just rhymed there. Sorry about that. But so for this, sorry to I backtracked a little bit there, but this was AUDJPY. We had a targeting. I don't know why the TDI is so low here. Let me move that up. So we had a TDI push down, and we had like a first leg here. This stop on box. So lots of liquidity is getting trapped in here. So, we see like one push, we might get some buyers, get some sellers, like really trapped. You can see this is like consolidating for a while. It's doing it for a couple hours. And that's how you get trapped. Like it'll get you to like buy in here, and then you'll just get like a lot of people have a 20 pip stop and you're out of the trade. But that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for a continual flow breakout of this stop on box. And especially, once these EMAs cross, believe it or not, and we get some support above this EMA, this is a very good trade to take. And for a take profit, you want to go for an EMA, which is exactly what it does. It prints just like that. If like I was going for a take profit on this, and I believe I did take this trade, I'm pretty sure I took it. Usually, like if I set a take profit in my mind, where I want to place it, I always take about like 1.5 to 2 pips off. So that'd be a 20 point. The reason being is because a lot of times our minds we want to be right about everything, right? So you want to make sure you're taking those pip values off, because a lot of times we think we're really right or really precise on something, and the market, it just barely misses. At least that's what I've noticed with my psychology, is whenever I take a couple pips off, I hit a lot more take profits when I'm back testing my strategy overall. So overall, yeah, that was the trade. You can just see this is a perfect like W trap structure. If you don't really see that, I think you need to study like a lot more formations and patterns. It's just stuff that I can really precisely see with my eyes very quickly. So yeah, this is AUDJPY. It's a 20-30 pip gain, and as you can see here, once this breaks above, this is 15:30:45 an hour, 15:30. I mean, that's an hour and a half, and I mean, you've got 20 plus pips. I mean, that's how trading is, man. It's not holding these people that tell you I hold trades for 2 to 3 days and I'm just barely, I'm in break even. I'm in loss/break even. I'm in loss/break even. You need me to hold that trade for 2 3 days. I mean, scratch out of your trade, man. I made a call in my chat the other day, and we scratched like 4 to 5 pips, but we protected ourselves. It would have been a 20 pip plus loss. So I mean, there's a reasoning. If you're not getting your pips like in a very significant amount of time and very quickly and vastly, we should reconsider your setup styles. I mean, unless you're a positional trader and you work with the banks and you're able to hold those big swings because you have the funding for it, by all means go for it. But day trading is meant to be quick, and that's just how it is. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, there's going to be a couple videos this week, so stay tuned on the lookout. Make sure to join my signals page. Check out all the free signals, backtest, and do whatever you got to do. It's very legit. I feel like I swear, like WAP is like, I've got some members, like I have like 10 chat members in my chat, and WAP is just like still not really moving me up on the page. I don't know. I just feel like I just provide value, and like for some reason, I don't know. But make sure to check it out. Hope you guys have a great rest of the week, and let's have a great trading day on Friday. So yeah, peace. I'm out.